Okay.
Now I promised you I'd show you what I'm going to do with the rest of this mud. I'm probably not going to use any more for this job. And if anything, if I use a little bit tomorrow, it might be just for some slight touch-up. I want to take the mud and bring it on down as low as I can to get it off the edges first off.
Ooh.
And just kind of make it flat there.
Well, that stuff keep
And most of the time,
moist.
when you get a bag or a box of this, usually you use up the whole thing, but I'm using it just for my patches, okay? But now I've got the plastic around it, but I don't want to push the plastic back in there because it's going to get all the crusties in there when I lift it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take, I thought about that this morning. I'm going to take a little piece of plastic and I'm going to push it right on down in there, like that.
Is that going to stay moist for a while?
Yes, this will stay moist for a little bit. And you know what?
No.
Speaking of moist, let's do something else. Let's put a little bit of water in here.
Yeah.
Okay? Just a little bit on top. That's going to keep it moist. That's what I usually do with a bucket of mud. Okay, but this is a box of mud. Okay? So now I got that pushed down in there like that. I'm going to fold the rest of that plastic up this way and put it right on in the box. Now I can take the outside cover. See how it's already flaking on here? Look at that.
Yeah.
That stuff flakes and it gets in your mud. That's a no-no for next time. Okay? So see, now I can push this up. Now I can kind of fold that down in there like that, knowing the crusties are not going to be down in there. Next time I pull it out, see how it's all crusty there? That's going to fall all into your mud. But not next time because I got the plastic in there. So you fold the box down. Instead of trying to dig your mud out like that, put it right over the edge like this. Okay? Pull that down like that. You've got some of the crusties in there. Now some you might get in there as you peel this back, and then you can kind of flake the top layer off a little bit. But this is going to help it stay moist in there. I've got water in there now and everything. Okay? This is the poor man's way of saving this for your next patch. Alright, push it on in there, twist this around like that, and they usually come with a little tie stick. Now if you lose the tie stick, you can roll it like that and fold it under and kind of beat it down in there. But because I've got this tie stick, I'm going to put that on there. Okay. Now that's going to be all ready for next time I use this mud. And I can just stow this away in the garage, storage, shed, or whatever. And I can even fold this around like that. What have you.
Oh my.
Kaboom. That's going to be all ready for your next patch. Whew. I'm glad that day is over with. I did a full day's worth of work, let me tell you. Well, that's all I got for this time. But don't worry, I'll be back with more videos.
Yes.